They say the universe is vast, but what if it decided to rain down its secrets? Imagine standing beneath a sky where planets, once distant and untouchable, plummet towards Earth like cosmic meteors. Each one a world of its own, swirling with mysteries and untold stories. The gas giants, with their swirling storms, could unleash torrents of alien weather, while rocky planets might bring minerals and elements unknown to our science. What if we could harness their energy? A fusion of worlds, where the remnants of Jupiter's storms ignite our cities, and the silicate sands of Mars reshape our landscapes. But with such power comes peril. What if these celestial bodies collide, creating chaos and destruction? The very fabric of our reality could unravel. In this dramatic ballet of the cosmos, we stand at the precipice of discovery and disaster, caught between awe and fear. The sky is no longer a canvas of stars. It's a battleground of worlds, and we are left to ponder. Are we ready for the storm?